Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the phone pin or the lock screen pin here at the iPhone 15. Yeah, for that we will need the settings for. So just tap on the symbol for the settings. And then you need to go to the point, Face ID and passcode. In case if you don't have that point here, then just follow my instructions here in the description. Okay, but usually you should have this point here, Face ID and passcode, just tap on it. Then you have to enter your QR and PIN code, no? Or you can unlock it also with the Face ID if you have enabled it. So in my case, I have here the PIN code 4 times the 1. Please take yours. So now you're on the settings here of the Face ID and passcode. Okay, scroll a bit down, then you will see the point Change Passcode. This is the one we need. Tap it. Now you have to re-enter your QR and PIN code. In my case, it was 4 times the 1. Please take yours. Okay, and now you have to enter a new one, the new one you want to have for the future. In case if you don't want to have the 6-digit one here, you can go here on passcode options to choose the 4-digit numeric code. Then you have just 4 digits. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let me choose a simple one for myself. Please take a better one. So I take 4 times the 9. Okay. As you say, it's not so good, this code, no, but I will use it anyway. Okay, now re-enter, so verify your new code. In my case, it was 4 times the 9. Please re-enter yours. And then we have changed here the lock screen pin code. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video, or let me show you the evidence here as well. Let's prove it. Now if I tap here 4 times the 9, I have unlocked my screen. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.